In British English, we will pronounce it ark, ark. Repeat it with me, ark, ark. Again, repeat it with me, ark, ark. And in American language, it will be pronounced like this, ark, 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 ark. Repeat it with me, ark, ark, ark.